Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Rinse and soak raw sea moss for 12 to 24 hours before blending so grit and sand release and texture softens. After soaking, simmer gently for 10 minutes to sanitize, then cool to room temperature. Blend with cold water or coconut water to form a smooth gel. Use 1 cup sea moss gel to 1 cup liquid and 1/2 cup fruit for a balanced texture. Trim and core fruit. Cut into 1-inch pieces for even blending. If using frozen fruit, thaw slightly for best results. Start with pulse blending for 20 to 30 seconds to break down fibers and avoid overworking the motor. Add 1 cup liquid, 1/2 cup fruit, and 1 cup sea moss gel as a baseline ratio. Adjust to taste. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons sweetener like honey or maple if desired, and a squeeze of citrus to brighten flavor. Use ice or frozen fruit for a thicker smoothie texture. Blend on high for 30 to 45 seconds until silky and uniform, scraping down sides once. Taste and adjust salt, sweetener, or liquid as needed. Store blended sea moss mixtures in an airtight container for up to 7 days in the refrigerator to preserve freshness and texture. Refrigerate at 4 degrees C or below and freeze in 8-ounce portions for up to 3 months. Thaw overnight in the fridge before using. Use blended sea moss in smoothies, sauces, desserts, or as a yogurt topper to add natural thickening. Limit sea moss to 1 to 2 tablespoons daily unless advised otherwise by a professional, and avoid excess iodine if you have thyroid issues. Label containers with date and contents for safe rotation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.